That is my Mary Tiller gas tank from Clinton Engine. So, if you've been following along, or you can go back and follow along, what I've been doing is fixing up this tiller. And this tank had a bunch of rust in it. I got a nice suggestion to put some white vinegar in it. So it's been soaking in there for about a week now. And I don't know what kind of job it did. I hope it did a job. And we're going to take a look in it. Okay, something happened. Now I can't get the top off. What did vinegar do to this? Oh, let's find out. All right, had to get out some pliers. Let's take a look here. Well, she doesn't look as clean as I like it. But I don't know what it did in here with this vinegar. But it's going to get very vinegary in here in a minute. Whew, I can smell the vinegar. Let's see, did it actually... Ooh, well, the vinegar is very not clear anymore. Very rusty looking. So, well, that's something. So, okay, let me put this thing here. Stay there, vinegar. Still very vinegary inside. Like, I feel like there's still some rust inside. So, may have to do this treatment again. But I want to get this thing cleaned out. Ooh. It has dissolved a bunch of crust on the bottom here. I think. Oh, see, that thing never moved like that before. Oh, it's pretty bad in here. I don't know if I'll be able to get that cleaned out. So, well, that's pretty crusty inside there. And I am actually running right now my ultrasonic cleaner because I was going to try to get in here. Oh, she's just gum. Wow, she's all gummed up. But I think it's all soft. And I am still going to put it in my ultrasonic cleaner to see if I can get her cleaned out. Let me get this little rubber doohickey off of here. Well, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to get a knife and then probably stab myself. Then probably get infected from all of this. And then probably be off weeks from work. But it's worth it. It is worth it. So let me get that knife. So I got the knife. Let me keep my fingers. Oh, that came off nice and easy. This is also going to go into the ultrasonic cleaner. It's the screen that's it's not too bad. I'll put that in the ultrasonic cleaner also and see if we can get that cleaned up. And then we can install all this again. Actually, the vinegar didn't do such a bad job here, in fact. I'm kind of shocked. I kind of want to blow on that just to see if it's actually any more. Oh, wow. Yeah. But there's a lot of gunk in her. So I'll put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. We'll get it cleaned up. And we're going to get a look inside of here. For some reason there was... I got to take something to this thing and clean the inside of it out. Because it had a bunch of gunk in here too that the vinegar actually did clean up. Now let's get a look inside of here. Wow, it is, if it can focus, it did an actual pretty good job in there, considering all the rust that was in there. Oh, look at the rust underneath there. We won't look at that. Yeah, it did an actual good job. I'm going to give this a clean out with another harsher cleaner, and we'll take a look in there and see, after it dries, see how good it looks.